Snakes. For centuries they've been feared, reviled, and cast as symbols of evil. But what if these slithering creatures we dread are just one of nature's most misunderstood wonders? Welcome to Misunderstood Snakes, where we shed the myths and uncover the truth. Me and snakes got an agreement. I don't mess with them, and they don't mess with me. What? With over 3,000 species worldwide, snakes come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, from the tiny thread snake that fits in the palm of your hand to the mighty reticulating python. Yet most people see them as nothing more than a threat. Let's set the record straight. First, the fear factor. Yes, some snakes are venomous, about 600 species, but only a fraction pose a real danger to humans. In fact, you're more likely to be injured by a dog or a bee than a snake. Globally, snake bites claim fewer lives than car accidents, and many bites happen because we step into their world, not the other way around. Take the rattlesnake. Its rattle isn't a war cry, it's a warning to stay away. Or the boa constrictor, a hunter that squeezes, not poisons. These aren't mindless killers, they're survivors, perfectly adapted to their environment. Snakes play a crucial role in nature. They control pest populations like rodents that destroy crops, and their shedding their skin reminds us of renewal, not menace. Even their venom, feared by so many, is being studied to create life-saving medicines. From biblical villains to movie monsters, snakes have been unfairly cast as evil, but in reality they're neither good nor bad. They just are. Cultures that revere them, like in India or ancient Egypt, saw their power and grace long before we turned them into nightmares. So, why the bad rap? Maybe it's their silent glide, their unblinking stare, or the mystery they carry. But snakes don't need our fear, they need our respect. They're not here to haunt us, they're here to remind us of nature's complex beauty.